I'm ready to put everything together. Put the pole into the tripod. That's in place. Lock it down. Alright, now I'm ready to make the connections here. Alright, I'm ready to start it up. Just want to point out one thing. I'm not putting the battery on because I'm not actually going to fly today. Just want to show you how everything's set up. So I'm going to take the connector here and putting it on so it'll hold the wire in place. Okay, that's that. Now I'm going to run it up. I'll have to put the camera on pause. Ran up. Now I'm ready to go here and mount the monitor in. The monitor is going to go through these two holes here. I'll put a couple nuts on the back of it. Okay, I have the monitor mounted. Don't have the battery hooked up. I'm not going to be doing that. But anyway, I've got the monitor hooked up, and here the adjustment for the monitor. These bolts go into the wood, go through this, and these are just finger tight. You really don't want to tighten them down with a wrench because you'll collapse the pole and ruin it. Now to adjust the angle of the monitor, see if I can do that with one hand. No, I can't. Anyway, I'll shut the camera off and then show you. Right now I've got it set up so I can stand right here and look at the monitor and run it. Now I can tilt it back further. Alright, that gives you a little bit better shot of how far I can tilt it back, and I'll move it and show you how I can tilt it down the other way if I choose to sit down and fly it. And by the way, the only thing I have to do is take this little screw right here, and there's no nut or anything on it, just push it out and adjust it. Okay, there it is in the farthest down angle I can put it, and obviously I can sit down in a chair and it's pointed right down at me. So all I need to do now is do all the touch-ups on the paintings down here on the PVC connections. I'm going to paint this, and I'm ready to fly. Alright, here's the final setup, and I hope that you can see it okay. Anyway, I ended up with 14 foot total, and I can go up higher if I decide to extend the legs out here. But I did notice something. If you plan on flying in high wind, or I don't know what mile per hour would be. Anyway, if you plan to fly in with wind, you're probably going to need to find some way to secure the whole thing here so it won't tilt over on you, because it will tilt over if you got a big gust of wind or something like that. So just be careful about that.